Violet, stay a minute.
Okay.
Just stay. I want you to promise me something.
What?
If you ever go to Hawaii, please don't bring plastic bags to the beach.
What?
The wind blows them in the water and the ancient sea turtles think they're jellyfish and then they eat them and then they die, which is horrible because sea turtles are magnificent creatures.
What?
That's what my mother told me when she found out I was having sex.
I don't know what are you talking about, and I don't have sex.
Violet, don't lie to the woman who does your laundry. I can read the stains like tea leaves. And just so you know, I got pregnant with you when I was a teenager. And please don't take this the wrong way. It ruined my life.
Why would I take this the wrong way?
I love you.
I'm sure you do. Wait, what grandmother's point with this whole sea turtle thing?